Hey guys, in this video we want to explain to you how to connect your wireless Bluetooth headphones to an older TV which does not offer the Bluetooth functionality yet. And the only requirement that your TV has to fulfill is that it does have an output auxiliary port. This port is most often located either on the side of the TV or on the back side. And now we can connect this port with an external Bluetooth transmitter like this one, which I have found really cheap on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below. And this is a really small external device, and it does come with two cables. One is the USB cable which powers this device. So we're going to plug this in here on the one end, and then if you have a USB port on your TV already, then you can connect it there to power the device. Or alternatively, you can also use the charging cube from your smartphone, for example, one of these USB charging cubes that will work as well. And then of course we have now here the auxiliary cable, which we plug in one end into the Bluetooth transmitter and the other end we're going to connect now to our TV. Okay, so now let's continue with setting up our device, which is relatively easy. You see the red LED is on, that means it has power. And when we take a look at the side here, then you see this TX and RX. So right now the switch here is set to RX, which means the device is set to receive audio signals over Bluetooth. But since we want to transmit the audio signal to our headphones, we're going to set the switch to TX, which means to transmit. And next we're going to press the button for a couple of seconds until the LED here starts to blink in blue. So you see this here, it starts blinking in blue, and now the transmitter here is in the Bluetooth pairing mode, so it's going to look for our headphones, and as soon as it finds them, it's going to pair to them. The next step is to turn on our headphones and bring them into the Bluetooth pairing mode. How to enable the pairing mode depends on the model of headphones that you own. Most common ways are either having a dedicated button to enable the Bluetooth pairing mode, or by pressing and holding the power button for several seconds when you turn on your headphones. In theory, our headphones should now pair with the Bluetooth transmitter. Unfortunately, this process doesn't always work as smoothly as we like, and we may have to repeat the pairing process several times until it is successful. Now in theory, we should be able to hear our TV's audio through the headphones. Depending on the model of your TV, it may still be necessary to actually activate the auxiliary port for the audio to be played through there. And it also depends on the TV if it is possible to play the audio through the headphones and through the TV speakers at the same time. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.